You have made a cool animation or effect in After Effects and want to use it in your Premiere Pro project? Here is a simple way to do it using Adobe Dynamic Link. Today we will show you how to import your After Effects files into Premiere Pro easily. Let's get started. Number 1. Prepare your project. Make sure your After Effects project looks just right. Number 2. Use Dynamic Link. In Premiere Pro, go to File, then Adobe Dynamic Link and choose Import After Effects Composition. Alternatively, you can import the After Effects file just like any other media file. Number 3. Select your file. Find your After Effects project. Choose the composition you want and import it into Premiere Pro. Number 4. Update changes. If you make changes in After Effects, those changes will automatically update in Premiere Pro thanks to Dynamic Link. This is really useful if you often update your project. And that's it. Now you know how to import After Effects file into Premiere Pro easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. Check out our video on importing Photoshop files into Premiere Pro and our full playlist of video editing tips to boost your skills.